Welcome to Corp Signals, a tool designed for sales teams to find new customers. And let's see today how it can help logistics companies. For example, you support the cold chain and you want to offer your services to companies importing meat. How to do that? Let's have a look. You click import, you type meat, or you can type the HS code. You choose the right product group, and let's see what you get. In this case, we receive a list of 856 companies. All these companies are right here on the first page, but let's have a look what kind of information you get about every company, because this is what helps you to define if you want to pursue this opportunity. In the first place, you can see what the company imports. It's all about meat. You can also see that they've been importing meat for 45 months, which is a good sign because it means that it's a regular, repetitive import business. You can also see that the last shipment was in August 2025, which means that this is an active company. Both are good signs, and this company could be a good customer for you if you decide to pursue it. What else you can see? You can see the size of the business. You can filter the companies by their size. For example, you don't want to work with the smaller businesses, or vice versa, they're your sweet spot. You can choose by the turnover or by the size of the current assets, and current assets meaning the inventories and accounts receivable. Finally, you can also see their business model. This company is a wholesaler, but you can also see what other business models are available and choose if you want to work, for example, with the meat processing plants, or if you are particularly good in supporting restaurants, you can choose restaurants or retailers or any other type of business which you prefer. So altogether, here you see a very precise snapshot of the company, which helps you decide, do you want to pursue this company or not? And flipping through a long list of companies, this information helps you to make these decisions quickly. Let's suppose you like this company. What do you do next? Here on the right side, you see the names of the key decision makers, their positions, and their emails. Click on Get Email, and you get emails. Once you've chosen your companies and open emails, you can download this information into an Excel or CSV file and start working. Reach out to those customers. As you can see, this is a very easy to use tool, and it allows to find the companies which are the best match for your ideal customer profile, which is what you want, because what you don't want is that your sales team spends time reaching out to the people who will never become your customers. I hope you like this short manual. If you have any questions, reach out to me via email. I'll try to answer your questions, or we organize one-on-one demos and I'll go through the tool in details. Give it a try, it's all free. With the trial, you get 100 contacts for free, no card required. If after the trial you still like the tool, it's only $29 per month, and you get 1,000 emails per month, probably enough to keep a small sales team busy for 30 days. Enjoy!